From February 1st, 2024, not only Google but another big provider, Yahoo, are releasing new sender requirements. So here is a guide how to survive this spam-geddon. First, do these changes apply only to bulk senders? The new guidelines will apply to anyone sending emails to personal Gmail accounts. A personal Gmail account is an account ending with gmail.com or googlemail.com. If you send to private Gmail accounts, these rules are officially for you. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, if you work in recruitment or run a newsletter for your group, you should adjust to the new requirements. First, you need to have SPF or DKIM email authentication for each of your sending domains. These are the foundations of proper deliverability, and Gmail prioritizes them to ensure everyone can trust the source of an email. Use a TLS connection for transmitting email. Major providers like Gmail use TLS already, but if you're using a custom SMTP, you might want to check if they provide this protocol. The important thing is that email connection is safe only when both the sender and the recipient use TLS. Keep spam rates below 0.3% by monitoring them in Postmaster tools. That's the most difficult metric to keep. For those sending over 5,000 emails daily, you need to set up a DMARC record to establish rules for handling emails that fail SPF or DKIM verification. In short, your emails might be blocked or rejected. There's also a higher chance that they'll end up in the spam folder. This affects not just your current campaigns, but your domain's overall condition and deliverability in the long run. Ongoing spam reports lower your domain's reputation and negatively impact your delivery and prevent you from raising delivery issues to Gmail in the future. To keep your sendings on good terms, Woodpecker is stepping up to help you meet the requirements. We already optimized our tool to the new standards to make sure you stay focused on safe and efficient email delivery. Recently, we modified our pricing model. We've moved away from charging for each email account and shifted to a system where you only pay for the prospects you engage with. With this new pricing model, you can add as many email accounts as you want. Handling multiple inboxes might sound challenging, as you have to spend a lot more time on campaign management. Woodpecker Inbox Rotation simplifies things for you. This system automatically manages the sending limits you set for each inbox. If one inbox reaches its limit, another one takes over. New Gmail rules mean that the more often you annoy the provider, the more likely you are to be labeled as a bad sender. We have a system that works in the background while your emails are being sent. It's called Bounce Shield, and its task is to keep your sending below your provider's limits. You can reduce your account blocks even by 60%. Moving on with security requirements. SPF and DKIM are basic records, and most of you probably already set them up. So the job to do here is to check if everything works correctly. To do so, you can use a built-in SPF and DKIM checker. You find it in settings in the domain checkup section, and you can verify your records anytime. When creating an email, you have to think about the words that are considered spammy. Or you can use the spam checker, which will flag any issues in your subject line or body text that might activate the spam filters. So you have the chance to adjust it and avoid delivery problems later. You can monitor the health of your sending by checking the ratio of sent to delivered messages in the Woodpecker Deliverability Monitor placed in your Deliverability tab. In general, and especially now, according to the new Gmail rules, the closer together the lines of sent and delivered messages are on the graph, the better. If they come together, it means that all the messages you sent have been delivered. With a long prospect list, there is a risk of contacting the same company again. Minding your tight 0.3% spam rate limit, it's better to add their domain to the Safety tab. Woodpecker will then blacklist every email address under this domain, helping you prevent unnecessary spam reports. Finally, something probably even the most courteous prospect would mark as spam at some point. And it's you sending emails during their after hours or in the middle of the night. Don't do that. Set the delivery time for your campaigns according to the prospect's time zone, so you know the emails will find them well. Not complying may have severe consequences and can ban your emails, a scenario you definitely want to avoid. Woodpecker is already optimized to help you meet the new Gmail standards. For a precise survival guide, see the blog post linked in the description. And subscribe to our channel, as we'll be monitoring the situation and keeping you guys updated during and after the changes.